All right, it happened again, yet again. Unbelievable to me that this still happens in today's day and age. The World Wide Web and information is out there everywhere, and someone dies without a living trust, a full estate plan in place, leaving their children to suffer through the California probate system. So let's talk about that for a minute. I am going to give you the down and dirty details on what it's like for your children, your family, to go through probate in the event that you decide, I don't want to get a living trust, I don't want to do my estate plan. Fine. You personally don't need to do one. You will be dead. You won't be worried about it. But if you love your family and you love your kids, you get this stuff done. Because here's how it goes. You have a home, let's say, here in California. Anything worth more than $180,000. Yes, those of you who have car collections, probate. If you own a home in California or any state for that matter worth more than $100,000, $180,000, that is a probatable estate. So here's how it goes. You die without a living trust. Your children go, oh, what do I do? And the reason I'm sharing this is because it happened this week. Yet again, what do I do? And I have to be the bearer of bad news and say, I'm sorry, you're going to need a probate lawyer. That's your first step. Now, can you go through probate in California without a probate lawyer? Sure. Are you skilled and knowledgeable on how to maneuver your way through the probate system? Probably not. I wouldn't want to do it. Okay. By the way, my family doesn't have to worry about it because my wife and I have our estate plan buttoned up, nice. We love our family. We don't want probate sticking their paws in our estate when we're gone. So now your family has to get a probate lawyer. Well, I'll tell you right now, I remember years ago asking a lawyer who specializes in probate. And I asked her, I said, why do you specialize in probate? And she said, she's the best answer. She said, because it is mandated in the law in California that she gets to charge a statutory minimum fee as a probate lawyer. I believe back then it was $8,000 or $9,000 in the statute that she automatically gets to charge. And that's not the top end of the scale. Probate legal fees can be in the 20s of $30,000, $40,000 depending on the size of an estate and how complex it is. So first of all, you get a lawyer. You get to pay a retainer, minimum $5,000 to $7,000 retainer just to get started. And then the probate process begins. In California, the probate process, depending on your county, is running upwards to 18 months or more. And heaven forbid, if you have a complicated estate, it could be 2 years. I know people personally that had gone through the probate process and it took nearly 3 years to finish probate because the family was fighting. They all got lawyers. The legal fees alone were north of $100,000. Folks, there's an easy answer. If you don't like the idea of the government in any form sticking their hands in your estate when you're gone, get an estate plan. Get it done by a law firm that specializes in estate planning and asset protection and legacy planning. Legacy planning. Do it right. If you'd like, give me a call. I would love to help. I would be honored to have that conversation with you. Talk to you soon. By the way, there are some of you watching this right now that are thinking, he is talking directly to me because I've been procrastinating this. You're right. I am talking directly to you. Christmas is coming. Perfect time to get that estate plan done. Talk to you soon.